What's the meaning of corncrake? Corncrake. Corncrake.
Corncrake. Corncrake. A corncrake is a bird that is part of the rail family. It is known for its distinctive rasp-like call that is often heard during the breeding season. The bird is typically found in meadows, grasslands and farmlands across Europe and Asia. However, it is now considered to be an endangered species due to habitat loss and changes in agricultural practices. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the corncrake and its habitat, as well as to ensure its survival for future generations.